Welcome to Aeromotive Gen-II Phantom technology. This tank looks like a bone stock tank out of a Chevelle, and frankly, it is. But using the Aeromotive Gen-II Phantom system, this baby will support more than 800 horsepower. The real genius here is the fact that these tanks use the factory fuel sending unit location for the inlet and outlet. That means just a few hoses and just a few wires and you're in business. It also uses the patented Phantom technology, meaning that you're always going to have fuel around the pump. Why is that important? Well, if you're going to put EFI in this car, you're going to modify it in any sort of way, you don't want the fuel running away from the pump. You need to have that thing fully supplied at all times, and Aeromotive's patented Phantom technology is how you're going to do that. The foam, the bladder, all of that is going to hold the fuel in, whether you're cornering on the autocross or rolling down the drag strip or just punching the throttle on the highway. The beauty of the Phantom system, not only does it fit really well and kind of hide in the tank, it's also quiet, so you or your passengers isn't listening to a screaming fuel pump as you drive down the road. The craziest part of this whole thing is this tank, as it sits right here with the 200-liter pump, comes in at under $500. Yeah, it's going to be a little more for the 340-liter pump, but the reality is less than $500 is going to supply your motor with a constant stream of fuel no matter what you're doing with it. The tank arrives ready to install, so you simply drop the stock tank out, roll this baby in, and you are driving down the road. These tanks are available for many popular muscle cars, including first-generation Mustangs, Camaros, even Mopars.